Karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my Victorinox rangerwood 55. So guys, before I open the package, I would like to tell you like I paid about 45 American dollars for it. Okay, now let us open it and we will do a brief overview of this knife. So guys, here is rangerwood 55. So guys, before we proceed further, I would like to tell you this particular model, it is a winner of Red Dot Design Award 2015. So guys, this is rangerwood 55. Okay, so if you look at the scales of this particular model, so it comes in wooden scales. Okay, and the size of this knife is bigger, slightly bigger than most of the Victorinox Swiss Army knives. Okay, so there are bigger one, but this is bigger than the most of the normal sizes available. Okay, so guys, now let us have a look. So it comes with this key ring. Okay, and it has a plain blade which is about 4 inches long. Okay, and the blade has this locking mechanism, and to unlock the blade or to release the lock, you have to press this logo and the lock gets released and you can fold it back. Okay guys, I always says while folding and opening the blades you should be very careful. So what else is there? So it comes with this long wood saw, okay, which is very sharp. Okay, it does not lock, so let me close it. Okay, so what else is there? Okay, so it has a can opener with 3 mm screwdriver, and here on this side we have a bottle opener with about 5 mm screwdriver and a wire stripper. Okay, so what else is this there? Okay, then it has this corkscrew, you can open the wine bottles with it. And then we have the last tool, that is the punch tool. So you can use this tool to punch holes, and it has that sewing eye also, so you can use it to sew leather and the stuff like that. So that's pretty much in this guys. This particular model, it comes with about 10 different tools. Okay, and the wood finish, okay, which gives it a amazing grip. Okay, so the grip of this knife is pretty good. So guys, that's pretty much in this. So guys, this was rangerwood 55. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more EDC reviews, unboxing videos, multi-tools, utility knives and stuff like that. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.